What's good, everybody? This is your girl, Bella J. It is day 6 of the 30-day sewing challenge. TGIF, we made it. This is day 6. Let's get to sewing. If you want to see what we're going to do and what else we're going to create and how we're going to fill in the blanks, then stay tuned. So we have this. This is just about 5 inches. But I want to add to the top before we trim it down. Wait a minute. Right sides facing each other. Remember, the fabric cannot go past the presser foot. 1/4 inch seam allowance is all you need to get this party going. This is not the Indy 5000s or the Indy 500s. Take it easy. Especially if you're new to this. If you're quicker and you're more experienced, go right ahead. We still need another piece, which is perfect. Perfect. And I feel like going Art Deco. Bouncing around. Wait a minute. We have it now. So let's get the seam down, shall we? We got the measurements. Yes. So now we need, what you looking for? It is not quite 5. We need another piece. So let's get a thinner one, shall we? Let's go with this. This is perfect. Just a little bit. Just a little bit more. Right sides facing each other. The cat is upset. Princeton. And we're gonna sew our seam down. Let's get this party going, shall we? Let's go. So we're gonna measure and cut. I need this to be, we have exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half, just a little over 5. So I want to mark off, I want to make sure this 5 is on point. Let's start with this end. I am the most unconventional sewer. Yeah, unconventional is right. Hey, baby. So now we have one end that's cut, and then we're gonna do the other end. I know it's tedious, they're like, Bella, but this is it. And this is pretty decent on this side. I just want to snip off this edge. I think we're good on this end. And we're gonna add that long lifesaver piece. So let's get this party going, shall we? Where's my lifesaver piece? Where's my piece? Here we go. Right sides facing each other. Don't forget. And we're gonna start adding it up. And let's do this. Yes. I know I'm excited just to see. Each day is a different day, ladies and gentlemen. And trust and believe, nothing is ever a failure or a flop. You learn. You have to learn this process. So do not fight yourself. Do not fight the feeling. Enjoy it. We're learning together, right? And there you go. And so what? This is not even. We'll get back to that later on. This is a work in progress. How do you like that? Oh, wow. This is now across. This is now 17 inches by 17 by 12. That's what's up. There we go. Our first 17 by 12 in total. Thank you so much for watching. Let's tune in tomorrow to see what else we can create. I got this. You got this. We got this. Later, everyone.